If you have a USB stick containing FCM or SVG cutting files, you can load these directly into your machine. First, insert the USB stick into the USB slot on the side of the machine, then tap Pattern, followed by Saved Data, and then the USB icon. Now select your design, and if necessary, you can zoom in to get a closer preview of what that design is. Very useful if you have a lot of detailed designs. When you're happy, you can click the X to come out of that screen. Be careful not to hit the dustbin unless you truly want to get rid of that design. Click OK to bring it onto your pattern layout screen, and you're then ready to start cutting or drawing with it.